Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Disha Learning Videos, and today we are going to do an activity which is very good for toddlers. In this activity, kids are able to develop their senses, so it's a very good sensorial activity, and whatever material we need for this is easily available at your home. So parent can create this, their elder brother and sister can also assist them, and let's see how we can do this activity.
We need sheet and parent has to create handprints like this, okay, and then they have to put some cotton on one hand, an ice cream stick or any rough thing you have available at your home. This I have put some toffee wrapper for the crinkly sound and the reverse sellotape for the sticky one, okay. So what you have to do is you have to make this for your child. Then child have to touch and feel the stuff like this initially with an open eyes, okay, and later on the second stage you can blindfold, okay, their eyes. So let's do it like it's, if he's touching this, you should tell them that it is fluffy, this is rough, touch it, it's rough, and this is crinkly, can you hear this? It's a crinkly touch, and this is sticky one, right? So next you have to blindfold your eyes. You can use this to blindfold your eyes, and then with your closed eyes you can touch again, and you have to tell that what thing you are touching and how you feel, okay. If this is fluffy and soft, this is rough and hard as well, this is crinkly, okay, and this is sticky, okay. So do this activity and develop your senses. You can add few more, like if you have a cotton piece, you can stick a cotton piece, you can put a denim fabric, a small denim fabric, so that child can touch and feel it, okay. So do enjoy this activity. Bye bye.
So if you really like my videos, do subscribe it so that you can get the notifications for the upcoming videos, and do like it, do share it, okay. Bye bye from now.